What makes speaking skills so important for everyone? Once upon a time, in a small town, lived a quiet boy named Arian. Arian was brilliant. He topped every exam, solved math problems faster than anyone, and dreamed big dreams. But there was one problem. Arian could hardly speak 2 sentences without stammering or looking at the floor. Whenever someone asked him a question, his throat felt tight, his face turned red, and he would just whisper, I don't know. At school, the annual science fair arrived. Arian built an amazing solar-powered robot that could clean a room all by itself. Everyone said it was the best project. But when the judges asked, Arian, can you explain how your robot works? He froze. His voice shook, he forgot half the words, and he ended up saying only, it just works. The judges smiled politely and moved on. The prize went to Priya, whose project was good, but not as good as Arian's. Priya explained everything clearly and confidently. Arian went home with tears in his eyes. Why didn't I speak up? He thought. Years passed. Arian grew up and got a job at a big company. He had amazing ideas. He knew exactly how to make the teams work faster and better. But in meetings, when the boss asked, "Does anyone have suggestions?" Arian stayed silent. His friend Rohan, who wasn't as smart as Arian, always spoke up. Rohan explained ideas clearly, asked questions, and made everyone listen. Soon, Rohan got promoted to team leader. Arian stayed in the same seat, feeling invisible. One day, Arian's grandmother saw him looking sad. She asked, "Beta, what's wrong?" Arian told her everything. Grandma smiled and said, "Arian, your brain is like a treasure chest full of gold. But if you keep it locked and never open your mouth to show it, no one will ever know the treasure is there. Speaking is the key that opens the chest." Arian decided to change. He joined a local speaking club. At first, it was scary. His first speech lasted only 30 seconds, and his knees were shaking. But he kept practicing. He spoke in front of the mirror. He talked to his dog. He recorded his voice and listened to improve. Slowly, his voice became clear, his words flowed, and he started smiling while speaking. A few months later, the company had a big presentation day. The boss needed someone to explain a new project to important clients. Rohan was nervous and asked Arian for help. This time, Arian stood up confidently. He spoke clearly, answered every question with a smile, and even cracked a small joke that made everyone laugh. The clients loved it. They clapped and said, "This young man is brilliant." That day, Arian got promoted, not just once, but 2 levels up. From then on, life changed. Arian made new friends easily because he could talk and listen well. He helped his little sister with her school speech, and she won first prize. He even gave a speech at his best friend's wedding and brought tears to everyone's eyes with his heartfelt words. Arian realized something important. Speaking skills are not just for leaders, teachers, or actors, they are for everyone. They help you share your ideas and be heard. They open doors to new opportunities. They build confidence and strong relationships. They turn dreams into reality. Years later, when kids asked Arian, "Uncle, how did you become so successful?" he would smile and say, "I learned to open my treasure chest. And the key? It's my voice." So friends, no matter who you are, a student, a worker, a parent, or a dreamer, start practicing your speaking skills today. Speak up in class, talk clearly at home, join a club, or just chat with friends. Your voice is your superpower. Use it. The end. Moral: good speaking skills can change your whole life. Start small, practice daily, and watch the magic happen.